Hello, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Watch Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button, then swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have Do Not Disturb mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on it like this, and to disable it, open the quick panel again and tap on the icon again like this. You can also go to settings, so let's tap on the settings icon. In settings you can tap on DND right here. Now you can enable it by tapping the switch next to DND option like this, and disable it by tapping on it again. If you enable it, you can also tap on duration, and here you can basically set up a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. You can set it when it's gonna enable itself automatically and disable itself automatically. So let's tap on start, and here you can swipe up and down to set the hour like this, then tap on minutes and swipe up and down and again on the screen to set the minutes. Once you're done, tap OK, then tap on end and do the same like that. And once you're done, simply press the side button to go back like this. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.